Climate change and energy security present us with a unique challenge, but also with an opportunity to make our environment cleaner and our economies stronger. Tackling climate change demands unified action across Europe.
The European Union should be a world leader, not only in combating climate change, but also in developing the technology and the industries that follow from sound environmental policies.
If we reduce our dependency on high and fluctuating oil prices, it would contribute significantly to stabilizing our economies.
Europe's liberals will promote new sources and forms of energy in a competitive energy market with lower prices for consumers and businesses. Liberals support more market, more funding for research in renewable energies and eco-friendly production. Furthermore, reforming the EU Common Agricultural Policy will benefit producers and consumers, both inside and outside Europe.
We have to invest heavily in research and development in second or maybe even third generation of biofuels, because we need to reduce our dependency on imported energy, and secondly, we need to contribute to the reduction of greenhouse gas emission.
With Europe's liberals, the EU will combine a strong and successful economy with a healthy and sustainable environment.
An ambitious climate policy is not part of the problem. On the contrary, it's part of the solution.
Vote Liberal in June 2009.